Ow! Look at all these tasty peppers. So let's go see what else we got ready in the garden. Chick. Come on. You guys gotta come home. Get out of the neighbor's yard. Guys, stay out of the neighbor's yard. Look at the size of this baby. Look at that. Ooh. It's a big one. This is okra. It's bigger than the palm of my hand. So they say that you should harvest the okra before it gets too big. They say 2 to 3 inches. It says that it'll get like woody. But I haven't noticed anything like that yet. And I fried some of these for the first time, and yum. These don't taste anything like the canned okra that you get from the store. The canned okra that you get from the store is soggy, slimy, not good, in my opinion. But these babies are phenomenal. And okra, like most plants, the more that you harvest off the plant, the more the plant will produce more okra. So, this is what we got. This is a small row. Not bad. I'm still getting peppers. These here are some Italian sweet peppers. Oh, well, they weren't too sweet, in my opinion. Tasted like a green bell pepper. I do want to harvest some of this celery, get some of this chopped up and put in the freezer as well. I don't want to take all of it though, because I use a lot for our rabbits. They really like celery. So let's take care of some of these beans. Some of them are way too big. get them off the plant, see if it will produce any more. Now, one thing I did notice about growing my own green beans, let me show you, is that these here, once they start looking like this, and you can kind of see the bumps right there, they're really tough. They say that if they snap, then they should still be good, but they're kind of snapping. Let's see. This one's a good one. This one, see how the inside of it looks all fibrous? Yeah, I chewed on one of those here not too long ago. I harvested a whole bunch thinking that, oh yeah, the bigger the better. No. Gotta harvest them when they're about this size, or you'll be chewing on them forever. Chewy. Huh. I don't know about you, but I don't like chewy beans. And I can't believe that they're still hanging on. I mean, it's September 15th, and they're still coming. They're still growing. I've had like probably 10 harvests off these plants already. I've got so many green beans in the freezer. I'll show you guys my volunteer tomato plant. Volunteers are when you did not plant this tomato. I didn't plant this tomato plant. And it's looks like a honeycomb cherry tomato plant. Let's taste it. I'll tell you what it is, maybe. Ooh, yeah. It's a volunteer honeycomb. Nice. I'm gonna harvest this little cabbage boy right here because he was just calling my name. Come pick me, please. This is one of the cabbages that I had already harvested, and it sent out shoots, side shoots. So, got a baby cabbage out of it, and I'll probably get another one. Let's see. This is a big one. I think that I better harvest that one too. Better harvest it too, just in case. Yeah. There. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, let's take this red one too. I don't think it's gonna do any more. Stump. There. Baby cabbages. And the red ones are supposed to be, actually they are, nutritionally better for you than the green ones. I don't know. That's what I hear. I'll have to look it up. Got another beautiful green cabbage. Look at that's a big one. Hopefully it's good on the inside. And check out what I'm still getting. Looky there. Look at all these tomatoes. Some of them are, split, but majority of them are still pretty good. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's go through here and see if we can find a nice big ripe tomato still. Big one. Got a ton of cherry ones. I want a big red juicy tomato. And I think I might have already picked them all. But let's look around and see. Ooh, what's this? Let's see. Ooh. Looks a little bit too ripe, but I'll use it still. Let's see if we can find another one. My tomatoes they have served me well. I'm gonna get out here and pull all these. Get all the green tomatoes off, make some salsa verde. Ooh, there's a orange one. Let's take this one. This one is a orange German. I'll take it. Look at that. Nice. I think this one will do. I'm happy with it. Okay, let's see if we have any more big peppers. Well, I see I'm gonna get a 5th pepper harvest. That rabbit poo is doing wonders. Look at there. I'm getting more flowers on this one. Look at that. I'm gonna definitely have another pepper harvest. That's astonishing. Gorgeous. So this is what we got. Not bad. Not bad for September. I'll take it. Let's share some of our harvest with these beautiful creatures. Oh, I'm sorry. There we go. I know, you just want me to pet you, don't ya? Come here, love. There you go, love. Okay, so that's it. That was pretty good for September 15th garden harvest. I mean, I'm still getting summer stuff. I'm blessed. I'm gonna put the bunnies away. I'm gonna call it a night. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Have a blessed day. Are y'all still here?